How many years now? 55. I just want to say I'm a proud Jamaican and I'm enjoying every bit of it. I'm at the Jamaica Family Fun Day in Brooklyn. My daughter just sang the national anthem and won, and I'm so proud. I'm happy to be here. I'm having a great time and enjoying it with my twin, my friends, everybody. Of course, you know, so we are really happy, and of course we want to big up Jamaica on this Emancipation Day. So happy Emancipation Day, Jamaica. And of course, I hope that we can celebrate up to 55 more years of emancipation. Big up Jamaica.
Robot superhero. Give him a warm welcome, everyone.
One, two. Good evening to you all. How are you? So, come on.
I can.
I can.
I can.
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Okay. I'm Captain I Can, Jamaica's motivational speaker. I go into schools all over Jamaica. And we are here in the U.S. just doing a summer tour, going to different places. So we're going to do two songs for you today. The first one is Never Give Up. Let me tell you who am I. One, never give up. See the invisible, attain the impossible. It's not your sight that gives you vision, but your vision that gives you sight. My name is Captain Hiking. Let me tell you about myself. I almost gave up on my dreams and put them on a shelf. But then the Lord touched me and gave me strength to do. And this is why I'm standing. This is why I'm telling you that I can.
I can.
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give in.
Never give in.
I can.
I can.
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give in.
Never give in.
Your vision may be bigger than what others can see. They tell you no, you can't. They see impossibilities. But I am here to tell you the greater one is He who lives inside of you and giving you ability. I can.
I can.
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give in.
Never give in.
I can.
I can.
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give in.
Never give in. We interrupt your regular broadcast to bring you
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Let's all say it together. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Amen. I can.
I can.
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give in.
Never give in.
I can.
I can.
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give in.
Never give in.
Your vision may be bigger than what others can see. They tell you no, you can't. They see impossibilities. But I am here to tell you the greater one is He who lives inside of you and giving you ability. I can.
I can.
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give in.
Never give in.
I can.
I can.
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give in.
Never give in.
Say I can.
I can.
I can.
I can.
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up.
You have to remember this. Never give up on your family. Never give up on Jamaica. Never give up on who you are. Because we are born for greatness. You are created for excellence. One of the things as we go into the schools, we will tell children this, that it's time to learn. Now I'm going to show you on the job, at school, you have to remember this. It's always a time to learn. This is what you'll have to do. Mr. Sunshine, let's go.
Captain I can, let me show you this sweetie in my bag. Captain I can, look here.
The teacher is teaching. It's time to learn.
Captain I can, let me tell you about a movie that I watched last night. Captain I can, let me tell you about a movie.
It's time to learn. What you must tell the person?
It's time to learn.
What must you tell them?
It's time to learn.
1, 2. Everybody get ready, because I am ready. I can, you can, now is the time to learn.
It's time to learn, learn, learn. I got to learn, learn, learn. Captain, I can, says I can, so I got to learn. It's time to learn, learn, learn. I got to learn, learn, learn. Captain, I can, says I can, so I got to learn. All of my friends and family, they are proud of me. I do my best, my very best, passing every test. Now look at me and you will see I'm a possibility. Now waste the time, it's time to shine, cause the future is mine. It's time to learn, learn, learn. I got to learn, learn, learn. Captain, I can, says I can, so I got to learn. It's time to learn, learn, learn. I got to learn, learn, learn. Captain, I can, says I can, so I got to learn.
Come follow me. Now you can be anything that you want to be. I see the future right here in front of me. You're not a failure, you're a possibility. Right here, right now, come follow me. You can be a lawyer, you can be a doctor, fireman, chief, even an actor. You can be a pastor, singer or teacher, art and mechanic, motivational
It's time
speaker.
to learn, learn, learn. I got to learn, learn, learn. Captain, I can, says I can, so I got to learn. It's time to learn, learn, learn. I got to learn, learn, learn. Captain, I can, says I can, so I got to learn.
Hi, I'm Captain I Can, and I'm here to tell you today, never give up. Your dreams are never too big. What I always say, reach for the sky, and you can achieve your goals. Your dreams, your aspirations, whatever it is, you can achieve. It doesn't matter the task ahead. It doesn't matter what your teacher said, your parents said. It doesn't matter the negative words that you hear every day. But what I want you to remember is that you were born for greatness. You were born to excel. You were born to achieve your goals. You can. There's an I can in every one of you. There's an I can in you today that will not give up. Not give up because the test is hard. Not because what people say. What I want you to do is go for it. Go for it. Never give up. I can.
It's time to learn, learn, learn. I got to learn, learn, learn. Captain, I can, says I can, so I got to learn. It's time to learn, learn, learn. I got to learn, learn, learn. Captain, I can, says I can, so I got to learn.
I can.
I can,
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up,
Never give up.
never give up.
Say I can.
I can,
I will.
I will.
Never give up.
Never give up.
Never give up.
It's time to learn, learn, learn. I got to learn, learn, learn. Captain, I can, says I can, so I got to learn. It's time to learn, learn, learn. I got to learn, learn, learn. Captain, I can, says I can, so I got to learn.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And you can check us out on Facebook. You'll see all the different schools that we go to. Captain I Can goes to every school, no matter where it is, in the garrison, in the country, everywhere Captain I Can goes. 3 times per week. So give a hail to your school too. Thank you.
Check. Yo! Big it up for Captain I Can. Okay, we're going to get the show going. Keep it going. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage. For all the performers, go and do the thing right, you know, make sure someone come early and give the DJs them on the tracks them so that on don't come up here and I try to sort that out when on the reach. Preparation, success favors those who prepare. So what you right here now? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage the artist outside of Long Island. He's about to give you one song. He has another show that he has to go to. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Busy Vibes Ross, a.k.a. BVR.
People ready? On the looks like that. Live it up, man. We're Jamaicans, no. The way you whine it, my girl, that you look into the tip. I wanna whine on it. The way you shake it, your butt, but you look in your stomach. I wanna whine on it. You turn me on. You let me on. Oh no, you turn me on. DJ, push on the tempo.
I want stick.
Everybody, wave it. The way you want it, my girl, are you looking seductive? I wanna wine on it. The way you shake it, now I'm badgering your stuff. I wanna wine on. You turn me on, I can't keep up. Oh no, na. Big up for yourself, this is my trust. Seductive, I wanna wine on it. The way you shake it, now I'm badgering your stuff. I wanna wine. You turn me on. Brooklyn, me love you though. Shot, that's a watch out. Hey!
Yeah, man, DVR, big up yourself, big up yourself. Juggle me, I juggle right, you know, and I take charge and run this shit. Stop it. All right, next artist on stage right here now, a beautiful young lady, her name is Naya J. When I ain't a chuck, come deal with them, yeah. Don't that make your boots a bossy?
How's everybody feeling? I didn't hear ya. How's everybody feeling? All right, I hope you guys are all having a good time. I go by the name of Naya J. And today I'm going to be singing an original for you guys. I hope you enjoy. let your heart ache. You never meant to cause this heartbreak. Brainwash away the pain, it's okay. Each day is on a constant replay. He's singing the same old song, up and down like a roller coaster. Your voice leads me to disaster, and self-destruct may be the answer. You're falling, I'm falling too, in the ocean with the misconstrued, and the tides pull me closer to you. And these dead roses, they told the truth, but I'm playing the same old song. Tell me why I never meant to hurt you, baby. I never meant to do you wrong. Never meant to cause you pain. Never meant to let your heart ache. You never meant to cause this heartbreak. But what can brainwash away the pain? It's okay. And each day is on a constant replay. And we singing the same old song. Listen, tell me why you gotta lie, baby, and deny all the wrong. You ain't right. Tried to take a step forward, push you past through the door. Hypnotized by your smile, straightforwardness in your tone. Every time that I ring, you don't pick up the phone. Call me back with your stories. I can't take it no more. I've heard it before, and we singing the same song. I never meant to hurt you, baby. I never meant to do you wrong. I never meant to cause you pain. Never meant to let your heart ache. What? You never meant to cause this heartbreak. Brainwash away the pain, it's okay. And each day is on a constant replay. And we singing the same old song. He said, I never meant to hurt you, baby. And he never meant to do me wrong. Never meant to cause you pain. Never meant to let your heart ache. You never meant to cause this heartbreak. Brainwash away the pain, it's okay. Each day is on a constant replay. And we singing the same old song.
All right, now you're right now. We're now in another itching thing. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome on stage, Mr. Smalls.
Yeah, man. Hold a minute there. Give thanks and praise unto the Most High. Yeah, Rastafari. You don't know. 55th anniversary, you don't know. Make a continue do it now. Peaceful and things, so here we go now. Tell them something real quick. Give thanks and praise. Remember to give. It's not all the time you're gonna receive. Your blessings grow. The more you show love, then you'll get back so much in return. Read them up, brother. You don't know. Yeah. You don't know. Tell me, say you need me. All right.
I wanna invade your space on the estate. Girl, I wanna tell you that you got the proper shape. Champagne popping, you me a celebrate. Your dress code is immaculate. I wanna invade your space on the estate. I wanna tell you that you got the proper shape. Champagne popping, you me a celebrate. Your dress code is immaculate. I wanna hold you down, but I don't mean rape. Hold you so tight you cannot escape. This love that I give it could never be fake. And you me want, so congratulate. Why she not get big, no need to debate. Get up on a higher level, that mean you elevate. You work hard, that mean you dedicate. You're real, baby girl. You know think I wanna invade your space on the estate. I wanna tell you that you got the proper shape. Champagne popping, you me a celebrate. Your dress code is immaculate. I wanna invade your space on the estate. I wanna tell you that you got the proper shape. Champagne popping, you me a celebrate. Your dress code is immaculate. I wanna take you to a place that you never been. Baby girl, keep smiling while your hair blow in the wind. It's true, I'm not imagining. If I imagination, then an illusion me living in. And I'm not hallucinating. Mr. Smart, the girls me dating. Baby girl, no time for waiting. And you, that's why this is a song I'm gonna sing. I wanna invade the space at the estate. I wanna tell you that you got the proper shape. Champagne popping, you me a celebrate. Your dress code is immaculate. I wanna invade your space at the estate. I wanna tell you that you got the proper shape. Champagne popping, you me a celebrate. Your dress code is immaculate. Hold you down, but I don't mean rape. Hold you so tight you cannot escape. This love that I give it could never be fake. And you me want, so congratulate. Why should I get big? No need to debate. It upon a higher level, that mean you elevate. You work hard, that mean you dedicate. You're real, baby girl. You know think I wanna invade the space of the estate. I wanna tell you that you got the proper shape. Champagne popping, you me a celebrate. Your dress code is immaculate. I wanna invade the space of the estate. I wanna tell you that you got the proper shape. Champagne popping, you me a celebrate. Your dress code is immaculate. You are one, you are me. I'm coming, I'm driving with speed. Oh, it's you I want for real. You are one, baby. You are one for real. You are me, baby. I'm driving, I'm going with speed. Lady, I wanna invade your space on the estate. I wanna tell you that you got the proper shape. Champagne popping, you me a celebrate. Your dress code is immaculate. I wanna invade your space on the estate. I wanna tell you that you got the proper shape. Champagne popping, you me a celebrate. Break. Invade your space on the estate. I wanna tell you that you got the proper shape. Champagne popping, you me a celebrate. Your dress code is immaculate. I wanna
Check it out, Mr. Smalls. Give it up for Mr. Smalls. Mr. Smalls, Mr. Smalls. And I appreciate the patience with the early artists, them and thing. Because I can't tell you no. Me never, ever think, say, Beyonce would have make it so far. Given that she started singing in my room in Jamaica, the first time she ever sang, I went to the man and I did a reason. We back in and look how she turned big star right now. And she forgot me. I'm gone there with Jay-Z. And me and I used to eat that kind of saltfish together. But Beyonce, big up yourself still rate and big up the twin them and thing. Alright, yeah, we're gonna go right now. We're gonna have a quick performance of my team, right? Stocks live on the top, Galley's Entertainment. You understand? Stocks live on the top. Wanna set up quick. Cause we know that joke thing right now. Cause we are get down to the nitty-gritty. Professor not saying ready. Right, Charlie? Hey, listen to me, man. Alright, what's the right now? I'm going to tell you this a little more. Last year, my boss a dance with a certain lady. And she walk a road and go hype about it. And she come back this year. Me and her are going to dance this year. And I'm going to done her this year. On a member Skelisha. Watch me and her. Ladies and gentlemen, hey, reach the thing right now. One time.
Top Galley's Entertainment, the real entertainment. Check. Black speak up yourself, Tony Curtis, I represent. Yeah. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Big up. Me love Jamaica, me not sell out. Them try clip we wings, some we can't fly out. But when we got
all of real Jamaica them in the place right now. Just I go and warm up the vibes before my artists come perform.
Under the tree with a glass of lemonade. Jumping on the river will be ready for bed. No boy can't buy me out. Me no foreign minded. No, you come here to Jamaica.
Ready now, where the flag them? Jamaica love.
You wanna feel
Jamaica love. We have the flag them from here that pro Jamaican at the park right now.
Jamaica love, Jamaica.
But all who said free Buju Band and give me some signal. Can I pick up all of my brothers them in the place?
Yeah, man, you don't know, you know. BETV, you don't know, you broadcast the thing. Live. Enough love and respect. Saying, yo, Mr. Smalls, I say, love, fully. 55th, oh my God. Many more to go. Saying, love.
Possible. No, you're not sure. Not sure.
Yeah, man. It's all blessings, you know. This is a good one, looking for Jamaica people. You don't know, it's a big thing, car. Don't know, we have Usain Bolt to hold up a flag same way. And we real Jamaican people, we are keep it real. Because we are real Hebrew Israelites. Saying, so big up, and big up the promotion. And the other artists them left to come to perform. So big up the thing. Saying, so all praises to the Most High. Blessed.
Who may I big up? Check what you don't know, we're in tune to BTV right about now. And this your boy, there's a vibes Ross, you know what I mean? Yeah, stay tuned, mad, tune in, subscribe, out.
Hey, big up every Jamaican in the place. If you love Jamaica, put your hand right here, sir. Hey, if you know say Jamaica is the best place on this planet, put your hand right here, sir. Run it. Run it. Free music is you. Jamaica land I love. Sweet Jamaica. Sweet Jamaica. I love you. Oh, I love you so much. I love you. Yes, I love you so much. Sweet Jamaica. Sweet Jamaica. I miss you. Oh, I miss you so much. If you miss Jamaica, I miss you so much. Don't change. I really want to get back to you. It's been months since I haven't seen you. No other country never treat me like you do. Don't change. You know I said me miss you dearly. You have me hard, so you're always near me. I feel said the outer so could never fear me. You coming up, you're so bad. Coming up, you're so bad. I'm proud to be Jamaican, tell the world I'm so bad. Most beautiful country, and me have this number again. Nobody can break up. Sweet Jamaica, sweet Jamaica. I love you. Oh, I love you so much. Yes, I love you so much. Sweet Jamaica, sweet Jamaica. Oh, I miss you so much. Yes, I miss you so much. Sometimes you have to sit down and not think on the past. When me and my friend them used to chill down a yard. When you never bright, when your mother close a class. When up on the outside you have to take a bath. When you never go back to the never near flow. When I be a fruit you not man never be a joke. When every countryman a run go Kingston. When I be a cheese we never had no PA one. Sweet Jamaica, sweet Jamaica. Dash it.
No. I don't know stocks attack whenever I present myself alone, facts attack, man. Are you feeling me, people?
Don't know. Right now, I'm so hungry for real. I'm hungry. Some jerk chicken or whatever something, and I don't forget. Listen now. This song I'm about to perform right now is a true story. I'm not telling no lies, it's a true story. So now just listen to this song right now. I'll keep it down for the kids on. Run it, the DJ Blacks. So my sister bestie came over. Said you want to give me some loving. And before you even know it, I was all up in the middle and it felt like a faucet was running. She didn't have the audacity to warn me. Said the kitty was such a vigilante. She got it up and said be pushing the donkey. What if Jesus Christ never come and save me? Save me from the body she gave me. What if Jesus Christ never come and save me? Save me from my living she gave me. What if Jesus Christ never come and save me? Save me from the body she gave me. What if Jesus Christ never come and save me? From the serious and the girl was me Father Mary. Oh, Heavenly Father, what you thinking when you're making a daughter? A little sin thing, just a quick a disaster. You put a vice gripping at the little banana, cause the girl bench me. And you know me a starter, she no know about drugs, cause she never have water. She start off easy, then go little faster. But thanks, they just out for me that they for pasta. If Jesus Christ never come and save me, save me from the body she gave me. But if Jesus Brooklyn, don't know. Big up Jamaica, straight. Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, man, big up our thing, all what go on,
Yeah, man, give thanks, man. Go on, Stacks. Yeah, you don't know, Ray music there, so. Stacks there, so. Fire Skull. Blacks over there, so. Maria, we big dancer right here, so. I guess what we say? We say we're proud to be Jamaican. First and foremost, we love the country, bad. You see me I say? So we want the youth them down a yard now, say what we are doing right now. We just go and big up Jamaica and put Jamaica on the map and done with the crime and the violence. You see me I say? Talk to the people and fire Stacks.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man, you don't know Stacks attack whenever I present myself alone facts attack, man. I'm there, I say, yo, big up BTV straight in a car here, out Jefferson High School there right now, you see me? Independence Day for Jamaica, you don't know where for the out and support and, you see me? Nice vibes, man, you don't know, yo, no when I come like, no when I sweet like Jamaica and done. It's like, it's a go take enough to travel, go other places for see say, not no sweet like Jamaica then. Come on, man. Big up on yourself. Stacks out. Yo, man, Fire Skull.
Yeah, man, I don't know Fire Skull. They are represent for Top Gallus, the whole team with their thing. Large, Ray Music, Stacks Music, BETV, my thing. Big up on yourself. Yeah, you got to hear about you, you know. Top Gallus Entertainment, we're there.
BETV, I love you. Woo! Jamaica, Jamaica. Jamaica, Jamaica. One love, baby, one love. BETV.